In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to work with multiple desktops. Well, why would we even want to do that? Well, it's all about organization and control and for productivity. Well, if we take a look at my taskbar down below, you're going to see I have a lot of icons there. And for you, you may have it even more. So it's going to start getting a little bit crowded. So you may want to categorize your desktops based off of different tasks and different functions and even potentially different software programs. So as an example, I may want to have my graphic design programs on their own desktop, my office programs on a separate desktop, and so on. So how do I do that? Well, first of all, I'm going to go back to my Windows key plus the tab, and you can see I currently have one desktop here. So what I want to do is I want to make it so my graphic design programs are going to be on one desktop, and then I'm going to keep my other desktop the same, but then I'm also going to add on another desktop for my office documents and programs. So very simply, all I'm going to do is just drag Photoshop down here, and then bam, now I have that. And then I'm going to come back to desktop 1, and I'm going to go back here to Windows tab, and I'm going to drag Illustrator back over here to desktop 2. And now you're going to see as I toggle back and forth, I no longer have Photoshop and Illustrator down below. But then when I go back to this desktop, when I do my Windows key plus tab, and you're going to see there I have that, but it's all alone with no of those other Office documents and programs there as well. So really, really neat. Let's go ahead and go back to that again. I'm going to say Windows tab, and I'm going to add on another desktop here. Come over to this one, and you're going to see I can then very easily add on my Excel document there, and then also, bam, drag that down there. Now, it would be nice if I could rename these. So very easily, I'm just going to go ahead and rename this one to Graphic Design. Come over to here, and I'm going to name this Office, and I'm good to go, and I can very easily come back here. So now I'm going to come back, go there, come to there, bam, I have my Graphic Design, and you can see there's my Office. Now, that's getting a little bit tedious, isn't it? I don't want to have to go back and use my keyboard shortcut to go this, and then come back to that and do it one more time. I'm going to show you a nice little keyboard shortcut to be able to go back and forth between each of these, toggling through the desktop. And that is very simply the Windows key plus the Control key and the arrow keys. So watch this. Windows Control, and I'm going to go my right arrow, and I'm going to that next one. Now notice I'm inside of my graphic design one. Keep doing that one more time. Now I'm inside of my Office one. I come back again. You can see there I am inside my graphic design, and then I'm back to my standard one. Let's go back, do that one more time, finish this up, and let's just bring our Word document inside of Office, and now our picture is complete.